It is Saturday, February 21st, and I am on my Vespa, the one I've talked about a few times about needing new tires, and I've been delaying it, but even though it's cold, it's the middle of February, or actually the tail end of February. The forecast a few days ago was saying that today was supposed to be dry. So I made an appointment to take my bike down to South Sound Scooters in Tacoma, which is quite a ride from where I live. I'm in north of Seattle, but I figured may as well get it done in the off season and on a dry day. Unfortunately, the forecast changed and it is no longer dry today. So it's a little bit squirrely, especially on these bald tires I have, nearly bald. But that's why I'm taking it in. I'm dressed in my rain gear and extra warm gloves, and I've got my handlebar nuts to protect my hands a little bit more. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I remain upright. Today is the 1 year and 1 day anniversary of when I bought my Triumph Speed 400 and rode it home. Anybody who's watched my channel for the past year knows that video well. It's gotten the most views of any other video I've uploaded. My plan is to get on Highway 99, go through the tunnel as usual, but then go over to West Seattle, get to the Fauntleroy Ferry, and get to Vashon Island, ride the length of Vashon, and then take the ferry from the south point of Vashon Island to Tacoma. This bike looks really clean at about 20 feet away. But the closer you get, the hand must kind of restrict my thumbs, so I accidentally hit the horn. But the closer you get, you start seeing the flaws. Which is expected. I've been riding this thing for nearly 15,000 miles and for 10 years. They're passing by the trash cans. Well, I'm off the ferry, and now I'm back on Vashon Island, where I was a couple weeks ago. Unfortunately, it has started to rain, so I'm going to take it really easy on the turns. Fortunately, the car behind me is a Prius and not a sports car, but I am going to get over to the right. Just a little nervous about this wet road, as I've stated before. But this is just one continuous road all the way down to the next ferry, which then takes me across to Tacoma. I'm going to let this guy pass me. Student Driver Academy. He was asking me about my scooter on the ferry. There's nothing really wrong with this bike. It's just kind of 10 years. But when I get in, I'm going to ask them, if they could entice me to get a new bike.